Oh my God. Namaha Sarvahitarthaya. Ji Namaste. Ji Namaskaram. Hi, my dear brothers and sisters of the world. I'm Pintu Mahakul from India. Greeting you, all of you. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm your well-wisher. I'm greeting you from India. I'm just moving here. I wanna sit here in this soil to feel the earth and tenderness, and we can recognize this morning God's creation, soil particle, everything is mystical here. It is more than 8 o'clock morning and I'm here. You can feel sunlight, everything clearly, so tenderly. So I'm here, I'm taking my way, I'm finding something else. Always I love to try to find something else. I'm taking my time here, so you can feel me. Oof. I'm here walking, talking, perceiving this entire creation here because I've got this golden opportunity by grace of our God, and always I love to communicate with you, bringing some new essence, feeling this entire nature and nature model. I'm here walking side by side. You can see here people are busy in walking. They are walking here. Oh my dear brothers and sisters of the world, I'm just showing you a golden reflection. This is a vegetable garden. Many people, many persons are walking here. I'm just walking side by side here to have a perception. Oh my God, I have to jump here. I've jumped because here there is no connection. There was chance of falling down, but I've balanced. You can see I'm walking side by side. It is a vegetable garden. Persons are working hard for good yield. I'm walking side by side to have here. What is it? A thorny branch has fallen. You can see. You can recognize. I'm here. I'm showing you how the persons are working here in this vegetable garden. This vegetable garden is also mystical. You can see how persons are working here so hard for fulfilling their everyday need. So I'm here to perceive this morning, and also this talk is best open my perception. You can see, you can feel my presence here. Side by side I love to gossip, and I walk here to feel, perceive everything. I show you how plants are dancing and singing with ruin. They are listening to God's entire creation. We are feeling enormous beauty of our God. I'm just slowly going there to have a golden perception and to recognize path of beauty and life. Then I shall move there. Then I shall sit. Then we shall gossip and gossip and gossip, because there are lots of things to tell you. Always I love to convey so many things to you. Why? While you will feel God and His tenderness in this entire creation, you will feel His creation and beauty. because our God Father, our Father of heaven, is very much merciful. How tenderly wind is tossing me. Oof. You can entirely feel. So I have to take my turn. Here persons are working. I cannot go inside. I wanna go, but I cannot go. I have to move here and I have to peel. So, wow. I have found, you can see, wild date plant has given fruit. Wow. I need to go there to show you the fruits. You can see fruits with me. You can see entirely wild date plants fruits. I'm just showing you. God's gift. These have not ripened. This will ripen after a few months. But I love to come here and swing with such plant so that we can feel, you can feel me, my presence with the fruits. Is it visible? Of course. So many fruits, so many dead fruits, wild dead fruits are here, green fruits are. You can see how the fruit is, this wild death plant is entirely swinging and dancing and singing for glory of God, for our God. I'm just showing you, taking my turn here. It is not bit safer always to go inside, deeper and deeper. But I'm just showing you the fruits. Oh my God, these are most beneficial. After few months, they will ripen and we'll have the golden opportunity to feel this entirely. I'm showing you. Someone is there. You can see is working so hard to bring out good yield of vegetables. I'm here. I'm also here. Just I'm taking my turn always. But I wanna take some wild green fruits, but I cannot because I cannot go inside. So always I love to gossip and gossip and gossip, but it's not a matter. The main purpose of talking to feel God's entire creation that I have shared, I have collected wild snails, and we shall discuss about these here. So we can sit here and discuss about the wild snails. As I have shared you, I've collected so many wild snails. I've shared you entirely. I'm just sitting here and I have shown you the wild snails. I've shared you previously that these snails they could not survive in sea. They could not adjust with the sea environment and sea snails, water snails. So they have come out and they have adjusted with the land in this habitat. We have to peel them in entirely in nature's lab. You can see one by one. I'm just showing you. So for survival, these snails have come into the land. God has given wiseness to every creature. I think so this is living. I shall not take it with me. I shall leave it here because these are not dead. These are living. Some are living, some are dead. I think so. This is dead one. But I have to leave them here so they can enjoy their freedom of living here. Every creature loves to have freedom in their lives. Every creature in its life loves to have freedom. Oh my God. So I don't want to disturb them. So wild snails, they will have their dignity. They will live here so happily, and we are here to perceive them, to feel the freedom of nature, to feel the freedom of our entire creation, so that we can realize our inner core, inner happiness, inner joy, how through nature God gives. I'm just taking my turn from here. So we can go here. I have left them here. You can see, you can find them, feel. They will freely move after some times here, and all the snails. So I'm just taking my turn, my life's precious moment, and we shall talk and talk and talk so many things later on, as time is short, and as it is summer season, and sun will go up, and after few moments, sun will be so much brighter that we cannot tolerate the sun rays. Before that, I have to leave this place, and we have to recognize God's beauty, creation, and everything. So for today, we can recognize everything here. Oh my God, some problems are here. Oof. Some problems are here, but I'm not worried. I have to be with you here always. My dear brothers and sisters of the world, for today this much. In any other day we can talk. Namaha Sarvahitarthaya, Namaha Sarvahitarthaya, Namaha Sarvahitarthaya. Ji Namaste, Ji Namaskaram. Bye, bye bye. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Bye.